Have you ever heard about Geera chicken, or more specifically Geera neck? That mind-blowing, mouth-watering, delicious, tasty street food found right here in Trinidad and Tobago, packed with so much flavor, with so much herbs, spices, and seasoning to really bring out that wonderful taste that is native, I would say, to our land. So to begin, I'm using some clean chicken neck, and I'm going in with some bandanian, some fitweed or cilantro as you may know it. I'm also going in with some onions, some grated ginger, yes, ginger, some salt and cayenne pepper, a bit of curry powder, yes. Don't judge me. Some curry powder, some jeera, and some minced garlic, as well as 3 leaves of big leaf thyme. You may notice that it's finely cut and not grated or ground, because it gives the meat more flavor that way. Try it and let me know. Then you're going to give it a good mix, and you can marinate it if you wish, but I did not marinate it because I know just how to cook it, so that marinating process can be skipped. So into my pot I'm going to put some oil, and I'm also going in with some ground jeera. I'm going to brown it a bit before putting in my meat, and then I'm going to reduce the heat, and I'm going to cover it for about 10 to 12 minutes and let it cook in its own juices, marinate in its own juices, spring that juice and lock in all that flavor. That's why I'm going to skip the first marinating process. Once that we have completed that, I'm giving it a good mix. You would notice that the color has changed, and then I'm going to go in with some water. Once that water is inside, I'm going to bring it up to a boil, let it reduce a bit before covering it so that it doesn't overflow. Once I have covered it the second time, I'm going to leave it on medium heat until it cooks and dries down and looks like this. At this point, I'm going to give it a stir, and then I'm going to add in the finishing touch to a really good, great tasting Geera chicken. And that is some grounded Geera. So once I have that in, I'm going to mix it well in, and then I'm going to turn off the flames underneath it. Now I am promising you, see this? This tastes 10 times better than it looks, and it looks so appealing. It was really full of flavor. It wasn't sufficient for my household. So I really hope that you enjoyed my video and that you would try it. God bless you. I love you. Bye.